Welcome back to How to University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more students to the How to University channel. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to add keywords to your YouTube videos. So all you have to do is go up to the top right corner and hit Create, Upload Video. Now that you're here, you're going to go ahead and select Files. We're going to go ahead and choose this video here, how to upload to YouTube. Now that you're here, you can change the title, the description, but the most important feature of all is adding those keywords. So once the video has uploaded just a little bit, you can go to Show More. You're going to scroll down, and this section here where it says Tags. Tags can be useful in content in your videos to commonly misspelled, otherwise tag, play, minimum roles. Well, as you can see here, we're going to add how many of these tags are going to be important to the niche or the video that you're trying to promote here on YouTube. So my suggestion always is to add the title of your YouTube video in this section. Also, anything related to a product, niche, sales item, review, whatever it is that you're adding to this keywords, make sure that it's related inside the video, whether you're reviewing a desk or an iPhone or giving a review about iCloud, whatever it is, make sure that it's in that tag section. Once you're done, make sure to hit next, follow all the prompts, and you have added keywords to your videos. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.